Fast illumination improves visibility for drivers behind. Soft nighttime cabin atmosphere. AMG trims include sportier red lighting themes. AMG LED features. The AMG GLC models add darkened LED headlights. AMG welcome light projection. More aggressive rear lighting design. Optional illuminated grille elements. The lighting system gives the GLC Class a futuristic luxury appearance, especially during nighttime. Driving Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class. Tire details. The Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class comes with different tire and wheel options depending on the trim level. Common factory tire sizes include 235/60ths R18 base models, 235/55 R19 mid trims, 255/45 R20 AMG line models, 265/40 R21 high-performance AMG versions. Wheel options: 18-inch alloy wheels, 19-inch multi-spoke wheels, 20-inch AMG sport wheels, 21-inch performance wheels. Tire features. Premium tire brands. Mercedes commonly uses Pirelli, Michelin, Continental, Bridgestone. Special tire technology. Run flat tire option. Low road noise design. High-speed performance rating. Better wet road grip. Strong cornering stability. AMG tire setup. AMG GLC versions use wider rear tires for extra grip. Sport performance compounds. Larger brake clearance. Better handling at high speeds. Tire pressure. Typical pressure. Around 35 to 38 psi. Depends on wheel size and passenger load. Spare tire. Some GLC models include compact spare tire. Others use tire repair kit with run-flat tires. The GLC Class tires are designed to balance luxury comfort, quiet driving, sport handling, high-speed stability. SUV practicality. Mercedes-Benz GLC Class engine details. The Mercedes-Benz GLC Class uses modern turbocharged engines with hybrid assistance for smooth power and better fuel efficiency. GLC 300 engine. 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. 48-volt mild hybrid system. Around 255 horsepower. About 295 lb-ft torque. 9-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive or 4MATIC AWD. Mild hybrid technology. The hybrid starter generator adds extra boost during acceleration. Improves fuel economy. Makes stop/start smoother. Helps reduce turbo lag. AMG engine models. AMG GLC 43. Hand-built AMG 2.0-liter turbo engine. Electric exhaust gas turbocharger. Around 416 horsepower. Faster throttle response. Mercedes-Benz GLC Class interior details. The Mercedes-Benz GLC Class has a modern luxury interior with premium materials, advanced technology, and a comfortable SUV cabin design. Dashboard and screens. Digital features. 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen. 12.3-inch digital driver display. Latest MBUX infotainment system. Voice assistant with Hey Mercedes. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation with augmented reality display. Interior design. Floating center console. Metallic air vents. Piano black and aluminum trim. Premium stitched dashboard surfaces. Ambient lighting. LED ambient system. 64-color ambient lighting. Illuminated dashboard and doors. Dynamic lighting effects. Adjustable brightness and themes. AMG trims include sport-style lighting colors. Seats and comfort. Comfort features. Power-adjustable front seats. Memory seat function. Heated and ventilated seats available. Leather upholstery options. Spacious rear legroom. Panoramic sunroof option. Sound and technology. Tech features. Burmester premium audio system. Wireless phone charging. Multiple USB-C ports. Touch-sensitive steering controls. Head-up display available. Cargo and practicality. Large rear cargo space. Split-folding rear seats. Power tailgate. Hidden storage compartments. Quiet cabin insulation for luxury driving comfort. The GLC-Class interior focuses on premium luxury feel. Modern digital technology. Relaxing ambient lighting. Comfortable long-distance driving. Elegant Mercedes-Benz styling. More Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class interior details. The Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class interior mixes luxury SUV comfort with sporty modern styling. Steering wheel. New generation multifunction steering wheel. Touch control buttons. Leather-wrapped grip. AMG versions get flat-bottom sporty design. Climate control. Dual-zone automatic climate system. Rear AC vents. Air purification system available. Intelligent cabin temperature adjustment. Center console. Gloss black floating console. Fingerprint-resistant surfaces on newer trims. Large storage compartment. Cup holders with sliding cover. Rear passenger area. Rear cabin features. Soft rear seats with premium cushioning. Fold-down center armrest.